All right. What's going on with your baby? It's Raj over here at the Forest game. And I want to talk about my journey and what I'm doing and what I've learned and observed after 1 month of studying ICT Smart Money and the whole ICT community, Forex community. First of all, man, big shout out to ICT. Michael, you know, he done unleashed a monster. You know what I mean? And the reason why he's so successful, it's not even ICT. He created so many success stories. Yeah, I mean, ICT has created so many success stories. It is ridiculous. And he did most of it for free. Yes, he does have a paid course. I don't know if he's still active with it or not. You know what I mean? But he's on YouTube and he's just delivering game, right? And ICT, he's powerful, man. He's a beast. He got a couple of haters, you know. I don't really see anybody really. This is one dude. His whole channel was about hating on ICT. And I watched it for about a week. And I really didn't see any validation. I don't even know if any of this stuff is true. And the stuff he was saying, right, after listening to ICT, I don't think that ICT would do some of the stuff that the guy was claiming that ICT was doing. You know what I mean? ICT is genuine from the heart. And there's too many success stories. You don't see more people claiming that they got funded from any other source than ICT, right? Now, of course, right, you see people who sell courses, who sell EAs, right, who have strategies. You will hear them say that they had 300 people funded, or they had the most funded. They completed the most funded challenges, and they got the most people funded, right? They even got people now out there who say that they will pass. Yo, don't do this shit, man, for real. That they will pass the FTMO challenge for you, right? Or they will pass the prop firm challenge for you, right? Done for you prop firm challenges. Now, this is the next wave, right? If you're already, look, if you're thinking about it, if you're already in it, you're in it. This is the next wave. Bitcoin just hit 30,000. You know, prop firms are popping up all over the place. Now they got no limit time funding, right? The funded challenges are cheaper. You know, the requirements to get them are less. And if you know how to trade, if you know how to push a button, if you know how to follow certain signals and certain confirmations and confluences, right, you will do good. Now, well, I'm gonna tell you this, right? Now, look, I don't got no course to sell you, right? I don't have anything. Matter of fact, you can get all the courses, you can get all the knowledge and all the information about smart money, order blocks, fair value gaps. Like, I didn't know what none of this shit was a month ago. I literally didn't. And when I was trading before, I was a retail trader, right? I was straight up retail. I was fucking trend lines, support and resistance. It wasn't supply and demand. It was support and resistance. It was fucking, you know, triple tops, triple bottoms. And that's about it, man. Trend following, man. Follow the trend, right? Now, the trend is good, but you don't need the trend, right? When you know ICT and when you got the right indicators. Now, ICT, Smart Money, he doesn't like using indicators, right? But what I see indicators, especially as a new trader, right? I know I've been trading. I started trading in 2017, but I stopped and came back about a month ago. I consider myself a brand new trader, right? And I had to go through a lot of ups and downs within this month. I blown 2 accounts, lost some money. I spent money on a fucking indicator from this dude named Jeremy Cash. And he's a cool dude. I guess he's a good guy at heart. You know, he's just trying to get some money to feed his girl. You know what I mean? I don't know if he got a family or not, but, you know, he's a cool dude. I bought his indicator, look, man, you got to be careful, man, with some of the shit you do. You know what I mean? Especially being brand new. And the reason why you want to trade is because you want to get out your current situation. Might just got a signal alert just now. The reason why you want to trade Forex is because you want to get out your current situation, right? I don't know what you've been doing before, man. You probably did all kind of entrepreneurial shit, right? Or you might be at a job, or you might just want to travel, man. You know what I mean? Look, you don't got to get rich. I don't know what rich is to you, but, you know, with trading, if you could just pay your mortgage, if you could just pay your car note, if you could just pay your rent and have a couple of dollars, if you could take a trip every month, that's freedom. You know what I mean? You ain't got to make $10,000 a day. You know what I mean? And that's where I fucked up at. Yesterday, I fucked up on the trade. I had 2 trades going on. And I was up $1,000 on the trade. On a small $25,000 account, right? And this is where psychology comes in there. I didn't close the trade because I was playing from behind. I was down $2,000 because I was using smart money wrong, right? I was listening to all the gurus, all the other people teaching smart money, right? If you're going to learn smart money, there's a lot of people that teach smart money and they add their shit to it, right? Study first from Michael. Study from ICT himself first. Get the lingo. I know Michael's all over the fucking place, man. He's just like me, right? He has ADHD, or he gets distracted a lot, and he goes off on tangents, right? He'll start talking about one thing and then he goes off talking about some other shit. You know what I mean? He's supposed to be talking about fucking order blocks, and then he's talking about, he just goes off. You know what I mean? But study from him, and then find somebody, right? There are teachers out there, there are courses out there that you don't gotta spend any money for. I know there's course creators that charge $150 a month. Some charge $1,000. Some charge $500. You can get all those courses for free on Telegram. There's certain websites, right? They on Reddit. They on Discord groups, right? These people drop the course. They get the courses and then they give them away for free, right? Now the courses, they say the same shit that ICT is saying. It's the same exact thing, but they're more focused on a topic at hand. You know what I mean? They're not all over the place, right? So learn this shit, learn the ICT shit, study all the traders who got funded using ICT shit, study them. Now, a lot of their stuff don't work. See, like for me, the course, the shit they were saying didn't work for me. It worked for them. When I tried it, it didn't work, right? I'm trying to trade on a 1 minute time frame. That shit blew my account. It's not that it's too fast. It's that in the beginning, you're risking too much money, and the markets do move fast, right? I even try to focus on one pair, right? I can't focus on one pair. You know what I mean? I try to do it. I don't focus on all pairs, but, you know, I got a basket of pairs that I trade with. I'm not trading everything, but I do got a basket of about 5 pairs that I trade with. But I would never trade on a 1 minute time frame again. That's not my style. That's not my MO. I can't do it, especially during a New York kill zone or whatever, right? But there's so many different ways you can get into the trade with smart money. Michael said he has 81 ways to get into a trade. 81, right? But you got to combine smart money with your prior experience, gotta use money management, right? You have to, and you have to design a system of trading that doesn't have you trading a lot. You don't want to be over. I know you heard it, but you don't want to be trading a lot, right? 2 trades a day, 3 a day, maybe 4 at the tops, right? You don't want to be busting 5, 6, 7, 8 trades a day. Following trades, going in double. Yeah, look, man, if that's what you want to do, you're trying to hurry up and rush, dude, just bust a trade, sit back and chill, man. Do what you got to do, right? You're going to get there, right? All you got to do is scale up. Focus on getting better at trading. Use the indicators as a crutch, and at the same time, learn, why did the indicator do this? Why did the indicator do this? Right? There's a mathematical reason. See, all the indicators is math, and they follow price action. Why did the indicator give me a signal to go here right now? Right? Why did it give me a signal to go long? Why did it give me a signal to go short? Why? I mean, study, and I promise you, man, you'll do good. And take a day like on Saturday and just read the chart. See if you can figure out what the bullets, what the breaker structures are, what the chalk is. See if you can find your own fair value gaps in your order blocks, right? See if you can predict, back test and predict what's going to happen next when price reaches a certain level, right? Yeah, dude, it's crazy, man. I mean, ICT shit is way better than price action. Any other and his shit better than any other shit that I've ever seen in my life. And he's responsible for so many other people making a killing in this game. It's ridiculous. Nobody else can boast more success stories than him, than ICT. Who? Name me one. Who? And he's doing it for free. You know what I mean? So there's no excuses, man. You got the indicators, you got the courses, you got the technology, you got the funded accounts. All you got to do is get your psychology right and be patient. Be patient. And I know patience comes with experience. And once you take a couple L's, you got to lose. Losing is part of growth. You know what I mean? Anyway, I see you at the top, man. I'm going to go chill with my daughter. Stay focused.